You watching Top 5 Best Budget Camcorders. Number 5. Camcorder House Bell Camcorder. Choose House Bell, choose Smart Life, join the 1 million plus supported by our industry-leading technology and customer-first service, industry-leading technology boasting multiple patents with a strong track record. Wi-Fi function, enable remote view, capture and video shooting. iSmart TV, turn your smartphone or tablet into a real-time remote to control the camcorder. Multifunction, capture your every happy minute of action with House Bell Wi-Fi 3.0 inches touch TFT LCD camcorder, 30 fps 16x digital zoom camera DV, 270-degree rotation touch screen, 5 MP CMOS sensor. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Video Camcorder Full HD 1080p. Full HD 1080p at 30 fps video camcorder. This 1080p video camera can choose between video quality and picture megapixels. For video quality it supports recording 19201080p 30 fps, FHD, 1280720/60 fps, HD, 1280720/30 fps, HD. For picture quality it supports 24.0 megapixels with 16x digital zoom. You can mount it on tripod and use remote controller to record video or shoot pictures far away. Lens cap is included. Night vision function. This camera has 2 pieces of built-in IR LED lights which enables you to record black and white videos and pictures at night with clear aspect, and it can reach as far as 3 to 5 meters. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Camera Camcorder Besteaker. High quality camcorder, support HDMI output. 1920*1080p 30 fps, FHD, 3.0 inches TFT LCD touchscreen, supports 270-degree rotation, 16x digital zoom. It supports standard tripod and SD/SDHC card, 64 GB max. 2 powerful batteries, equipped with 2 *NP40, 3.7V 1250 Li-ion batteries. It should be charged more than 8 hours the first time you use it, then 3 hours is enough. When the battery is fully charged, it can take videos up to 2 hours, and pictures up to 2.5 hours. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Power Lead Puto PLD010720p. Functions: face capture, internal microphone and speaker, LCD, 23 megapixel 16:9, screen with 270-degree rotation, 1280*720p, video camera, digital camera, USB support, 16x digital zoom. Includes a rich selection of features such as digital zoom up to 16x, face recognition and anti-shake features to help make your videos look their best. HDMI video camcorder supports 1600 megapixels and 2.7 inches TFT LCD screen size 4.7 2.5 2.2 inches, 120/64 mm, weight 0.66 pounds, 300 G. Support SDHC/SD card, 32 GB max, not include any memory card, available for connecting TV and computer. And can be mount tripod at the bottom of the camera. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Sony HD Video Recording HD. 50 Mbps XAVCS trademark 1920x1080 at 60p, UFCHD registered trademark and MP4 codecs. 30x optical/60x clear image zoom to get closer to the action. 26.8mm wide-angle Zeiss registered trademark lens. Automatically creates highlight video in MP4 from multiple clips. Optical steady shot trademark image stabilization W/active mode. Built-in USB cable for easy file transfer/charge. This product does not have an external microphone input. Minimum focus distance approximate 1330 seconds inches, wide, aperture, f1.8, f4.0. Please check the description for details and update price.